So who says it has to be there? I'm interested in multiple relationships and I'm willing to take steps in that direction and see what it looks like. It can change, bro. It's not like your life purpose and philosophy and creed. Like, you're going west, you know you want to go west, you're pretty sure the beaches and everything out west are gonna be fucking amazing. You get to an impasse in the Rockies. All right, now we're having supper, the convoy's with us, and we're at the fire. All right, looking at this impasse, it is a valley, it's a deep space, but I'm gonna take us through that. That's the shortest route for us to get west. On the other side of those mountains, we got the beaches. That's what we're here for. How long do you think it'll take us? What do you think the dangers are gonna be? Do you think we can make it? Blah, blah, blah. That's leading, yes. You put them on the convoy. You make the decisions and choices, and you're giving them the world. So now they're just asking, yes, Daddy, what does life look like? How are we gonna do this? Let me be secure in knowing I can walk into your world and it's good. That's it. You ever watch kids play a game? They're like make-believe type shit. It's not actual, like, this is the game, but as kids play and make-believe, oh no, you can't do this, it looks like, and now they're going over there, and it's this, some kid, or together, they collaboratively create imagination of what's going to happen and look like, and that's the rules they play. And so, oh, you can't do that because you think of it on the fly. You just, this is how you're playing a game. You can't go that's too far. It makes it unfair. That's all leading in a relationship is. That's all life is, man. Shit is all an illusion. It's all a game. It's just whether or not you want to play it.